Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing and initial review of Ali Julie's hair. I ordered it on Friday and it came on Monday. It's the curly hair. I can't remember if it was Malaysian or Brazilian, but it has some pretty good reviews on their page on AliExpress. I was just looking for it. You see, he's so annoying. But yeah, I was just looking for some hair I could make into a quick wig, for one of my summer looks that I'm not gonna wear really often. And I could keep up with any type of curly hair. It doesn't matter who it comes from. But I decided to go with this vendor. It was either them or Nadula. I was seeing a lot of good reviews on them on YouTube, so I'm like, might as well, try them out. And they had a deal going on, so the hair came out to about 126, I believe. But yeah, so what I just showed you was the 22-inch, their tight curly hair. It looks true to length. I'm gonna co-wash it before I make a wig out of it, and that's another video that's coming up after this one. And I also got a 3-part closure. I thought I got a free part closure, but when I looked at my receipt, I did click 3-part, and I was like, oops. But I mean, I could work with either or. But I'll update you guys once I make the wig so you can see how it turns out. And I'll show you my other looks for this summer on all the wigs I'm going to be making. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.